Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to add watermark to a Latex document. So to this end, you first need to add the package tikz. This is now a built-in for watermark in the latest mic text. So you will need to use the package tikz. You see here I'm using article, AMS font. These are the packages that I'm using for creating mathematical equations. Then I use Lepson to create dummy text. So what in fact is important for creating watermark is the text package, this one. So you need to create this package, include this package in the to your LaTeX document. And then in order to add text, you need to write this command add to hook. So you must know the capital of each single word: add, capital A, to capital T, hook, capital H, and next. And then I add this argument inside the curly brackets, shape out background. Remember, this one is important because it will put the watermark either in front of the text on the page or in the back of the text on the page. I will let you know about this soon. And then inside the curly brackets, one this curly bracket and the other this curly bracket, I create a tikzpicture environment. Here begin tikzpicture and here end tikzpicture. And inside the tikzpicture environment, I add an optional argument to this in the form of square brackets overlay. Remember picture. However, if this is not there, that would not make a bigger difference. What is important is the next line under node command, and under node command I add text black. So this add color to text, which color you want the watermark be. So this add color to your watermark. This gives orientation. I want to place this at 45 degrees, but you can change this according to your own will. And then here is the scale. The scale will change the size of the watermark. And here I have added opacity. So this change the opacity. And then this is at current page Safi Mixed. This is your watermark. So whatever word or phrase you may write inside this curly bracket would be the watermark. And then obviously I build the document, which is not needed to understand. So now if I build my document and see what happens. Okay, you see here, this is the document, and watermark Safi Mix has been added to the first page, and there is no watermark on the other pages. And one thing more, you see the watermark is at the back of the text of your document. So let me first make a little changes to add watermark on all pages, and that I can do by just removing this next in the command AddToHook. So I remove the next, and if now I build the document, now you see the watermark on first page, the watermark on second page, and the watermark on third page. So when I remove that next from the AddToHook command, the watermark is added to all the pages of the document. Now I want to make a little more, so let me change the opacity from 5 to 2 and see what happens. If I change this to 2, the opacity of the watermark be changed. Now you see it is less visible, so it is more, the opacity is smaller and it is less visible. So you can change this in it. If I change this from 0.2 to let's say 0.7, then see what happens. Now you see it is more visible on the page. So that's where you can change the opacity, and from this point, from scale, you can change the scale. Let me change this to 3. So now the watermark size will be reduced. You see the size is considerably reduced. So you can use the scale as per your own requirement, and I keep this at 7. Now I want to add a background to my text. That I can do by adding an additional command fill and then equal sign, and then I add let's say blue. So I want to add a blue background to the watermark, and I, oh yes, now since I'm on the dark background, therefore the blue is looking like yellow. But this, if I go to the PDF and open the PDF, you see it is blue background. So I close this and I want to change the background from blue to gray. That would be, and now so now it is gray color. I have changed the background. I can add a border line to the box by writing DR and draw. Now if I, you see now a border line, a box is added to the uh, background. And furthermore, if I change the background to foreground, now it is foreground. So now this will be on the front. You see now it is on the front. If I change the color further, you will see further see this. Let me add this the gray to again blue and then run this. You see now it is above the text of the document. So this way you can change this either to foreground or background. I will add this whole command to the description of the video. You can copy from there if you are in need. So this way you can add watermark to your LaTeX document. And then thanks for watching.